If you have been considering natural herb medicines, this book is for you. While I visited a few of the gardens in my community, I stumbled upon mint and hydrangeas growing beautifully in the evening sun. The Creative Empowerment Garden, located on Manistee, and the Freedom Garden, only a few blocks away, where I found lavender growing lush and strong. Detroit Abloom, a beautiful butterfly garden, also located on Manistee, grows plants native to the state of Michigan that heal the insect and human ecosystems. The key? Temperature regulated compost to ensure a successful harvest. Will you become a sustainable cohort?